The mission of Camp David is to provide the President, First Family, and their guests with a private, secure location to really relax and unwind. So if you think about being the President of the United States, there's not a whole lot of places he or she can come and do something like that. This is one place where 100% the President, First Family, and their guests can really be themselves and relax and unwind.
This is a place where on a day-to-day basis, you could be going from normal garrison duty, doing your day-to-day job, to in a second, you might have the Secretary of State walk up to you and shake your hand, because it's an amazing place. And I think anybody that serves here will walk away from it almost shaking their head, thinking, I can't believe I got to do that.
Earning the Presidential Service Badge during my first tour, I can tell you from experience, everywhere you go in the fleet, somebody's going to come up and ask you, hey, what is that? Hey, where did you get that? And you get to explain, hey, I was part of Camp David. A tour of Camp David will definitely enhance your career. Number one, being through some of the training opportunities you get. The civilian training pipeline that we send our sailors through is unlike anything else they're going to get in the fleet or anywhere else in the Navy.
It's just a beautiful place, and it's really what makes it great, I think, are the people. We really pick a unique brand of person, very hard-charging, very dedicated, very professional, and it's really inspiring to work with this group of folks.
This is a shore special program. Every sailor who gets to serve at Camp David is individually screened and hand-selected to come here. That does not go unnoticed by selection rules.
What we want are people who are all in and ready to go, and that's the type of people we need here at Camp David.
The type of sailor we're looking for to work at Camp David, motivated individual who's ready to learn things outside of their regular comfort zone, who's ready to work in their rate and outside their rate on a daily basis, and ready to explore new challenges.